Myers here. Today we're continuing on. We're doing our summer sides storytelling, and we are going to slaw it up. We're going to do two different kinds of slaw recipes and see if that's what we like, which one's the best. We're going to get our shredding knife going, and we're going to shred this up. First I'm going to split this in half because both halves of this cabbage, or this one half of this cabbage, is going to be our slaw. Now I'm just going to give it some shredding. And of course you can buy just plain slaw in a bag. Nothing wrong with that. You just happen to have a cabbage. Okay, so that's for our first bunch of slaw. And we're going to put all our liquid stuff in the bowl. And Lydia's going to help me because I haven't a clue. Okay, yeah. First one we're going to make is roasted pineapple coleslaw. So, what do we need to go? I don't know where. So, we've got a half a cup of mayonnaise in here. Half a tablespoon of dijon mustard. Roasted pineapple and pepper chutney from the KooKoo Exchange. 1 tablespoon of lemon. Half a tablespoon red wine vinegar. Extra virgin olive oil. I'd say I put in about maybe a little bit more. You mix the slaw up, and if it sits, and I think there's the recipe actually says it should sit, it actually gets the taste better. So there we have it. We got it all mixed up and stuff. We're going to set it aside, put it in the refrigerator for a little bit while we make the other one, and then we're going to do a compare taste test. We're going to start making the white chocolate honey mustard coleslaw. We're going to start shredding up some more cabbage. We're going to, as we're doing a half a recipe, the whole recipe calls for 1/2. We're just going to go with 1/4 red bell pepper. And then we're going to cut up 1 tablespoon of red honey. All right, there we have it. Now for our ingredients in the bowl, 1 tablespoon mayo. So what we have here is what we believe is there's a discontinued product, white chocolate honey mustard vinaigrette. We don't see it in the current catalog. We could be wrong, but we don't have it. And so I'm going out on a limb here, and I'm going to take white chocolate raspberry honey mustard, one of the #1 sellers of the company, and mix in some balsamic vinaigrette here that I have at home. Very tart. Very good. I'm doing it. There it goes. You ever watch Jeopardy? We are going to call our Dijon mustard spicy, 1 teaspoon. Here I go with the stuff you chew on. So we get this stirred up good. Put it in the refrigerator, let it sit. Always gets better after it sits. So we'll be back in a little bit with a taste of slaw and see which one we think is going to work out better for us. Bye. So we got our 2 slaws. It's a Slawdown. I'm going to see which one tastes best. This is the white chocolate honey mustard slaw, and this is the pineapple chutney slaw. try the white chocolate one first. What I like about it is it's very full of flavor in all ways. You don't need to add salt, you don't need to add anything to it. It's real good. Not quite a creamy slaw, not quite a vinegary slaw. Very good flavor. And in this case, I can taste the white chocolate honey mustard. Now, I'm going to try the pineapple chutney slaw. It has the ingredients you want to see in a slaw. It has the vinegary taste. It's not quite creamy, but it is a little creamy. Great flavor. And in the back there, I'm kind of tasting the pineapple. It's really good. I cannot decide one or the other is better. I like them both. So there you have it on the slaw end. We're going to have to find another slaw to beat these two slaws because they're kind of tired, and we're just going to slaw some more. So if you want to find out about that type of stuff or any of our videos, check out Cooking with KooKoo on YouTube. That's Cooking with KooKoo, KooKoo, K-O-O-K-O-O on YouTube, and subscribe to our channel. Get notified about whenever we have a video. Appreciate it very much. Dave Myers, cooking for KooKoo. KooKooing for KooKoo. What am I doing? That's the YouTube. Lady is right. YouTube's Cooking with KooKoo. Why I decided to change the names around, I'm not really sure, but it's working real good right now. So, Cooking with KooKoo is YouTube. KooKoo for KooKoo is our Facebook page. Go like that too while you're at it. We're having a lot of fun here. We are trying to show you how to work with a lot of these Cocoa Exchange products because they're great products, and it's kind of what's making this thing go. So, Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.